What's up, guys? Figured I'd just share some breakfast recipes with you. So right now I'm cooking up some eggs. In here I've got about a half cup of this egg whites. Just helps keep the protein a little bit higher without increasing the fat content. I usually do anywhere from like 1 to 3 egg yolks in there to add some flavor. Over here we have some turkey bacon, seasoned, salt, pepper, a little bit of 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. Over here I got some of my veggies steaming, some spring mix. I think it's like a kale and spinach mixture with some broccoli. Just add that on top, and depending on what I'm doing, I might have more or less carbs. Here I've got some, like, just a half a bagel sliced up just to add a little bit of flavor and taste to it. I'll probably add a little bit of salsa on top of this. It's a very high protein meal. Got my veggies, got my, right now, like I said, I'm just going to be going a little bit lower carb since we're not doing too intensive a workout lately, or like super heavy stuff. So I'm taking my carbs down just a little bit, bumping up my fats just a little bit, and my overall calories are coming down. So it's kind of an idea of quick, easy, relatively low calorie meal that's going to make you feel pretty full and check all your boxes for the day. So I just finished cooking breakfast here. I've got my mixture I just made. Now this is about 730 calories and about 60 something grams of protein, about 49 grams of carbs, 25 grams of fat. Now this might be really like a lot of calories for someone else, but it really depends on how you're breaking it up throughout the day. Now I'm only having 2 meals during the day right now because I'm just working a ton. I don't really have a ton of time. But you can adjust this meal pretty easily by taking away eggs, taking away the bread, removing a slice or 2 of turkey bacon, having no turkey bacon at all. So you can get anywhere from like a 300 calorie meal up to like an 800 or 900 calorie meal by making a couple simple switches. So it really comes down to the context of how many calories you're having in the day. So, but give it a try. Real easy to make. It takes about like 5 to 10 minutes max. You can sit down and eat really quickly.